Hi everyone, welcome back to Eden. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing great. So we have been discussing about parts of speech. Today we'll be starting with adverbs. Before we proceed with the class, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your support. And in today's class we'll be seeing about adverbs. What are these adverbs? So we have discussed about, we studied about verbs. So verbs are the action words. So different types of verbs, how they function, what exactly, how they are related, all these things we have seen. Now we'll be seeing about what these adverbs are. So adverbs are nothing but they are used as modifiers. Adverbs are modifiers. What is a modifier? In simple, when we say something is being modified, means it has changed its appearance, or it has changed, or we are trying to make it more attractive, or enhance its meaning, right? So here adverbs are words which are used as modifiers. What exactly do they modify? Okay, generally we have seen that adverbs will modify verbs. Okay, but apart from modifying verbs, so an adverb modifies what? An adverb is a modifier. So it modifies what all it modifies? An adverb modifies a verb, it modifies an adjective, it modifies an adverb, and it modifies even a sentence in some cases. So how does it do that? Okay, with an example we can see. So how does it modify a verb? We all know what verbs are. So in this particular sentence, if we see, please read carefully. This is an example. Please read carefully. So if we see, we can easily identify the verb. What is the verb in this? Read is the verb, the action being done. So how should we do it? Please read carefully. So this word carefully which is there, it is actually modifying the verb. How should we read? If we ask a question, how should we read? Carefully. So this carefully is modifying the verb here. So an adverb is used to modify a verb in this case. Now I said adverb is used to modify an adjective even. So now in this case if we take, how will it modify an adjective? This food is delicious. This food is delicious. So when we say this particular sentence, what is an adjective? An adjective is something which modifies a noun, right? So first of all we need to identify the noun in the sentence. So what is the noun? Food is the noun. So here food is the noun. In this case read is verb and this is becoming your adverb. Okay, here food is the noun. How is the food? Food is delicious. You forgot about so. Okay, food is delicious. So how is it being explained? So food is delicious. This will become your adjective. How delicious is it? It is so delicious. This so which is used to modify the word adjective delicious is becoming your adverb here, right? So the food is so delicious. When we are saying this, food is the noun. So how is the food? It is delicious. That is defining the noun which is adjective. So this adjective is being defined by what? By so. So which indicates it is so delicious. That means how is it? It is so delicious. The so is the adverb. So adverbs also modify adjectives, right? The third case is adverbs modify adverbs itself. Now in this example if we see, please read carefully. So when we said please read carefully, what is carefully? Carefully is adverb. So the same thing, please read very carefully. So read is the verb. How should we read? How should we read? Carefully. This is your adverb. This is your adverb. Now how carefully we should read? It is very carefully. So this is an adverb which is modifying the adverb, right? So an adverb modifies an adverb. Now what about the fourth case? In some cases the entire sentence is changed or is modified by a word. Okay, so like unfortunately, unfortunately the rain spoiled the party. Okay, there was a party going on and because it rained all of a sudden, the party got spoiled. So that word unfortunately which is giving an intense modification to the entire sentence. Okay, so that is called as a modifier here. So unfortunately, the rain spoiled the party. So this word unfortunately here acts as an adverb. Okay. So it is nothing but these are words which will modify. What do they modify? They modify the verb, they modify the adjectives, they modify adverbs, and in some cases they modify the entire sentence. So in the next video we will be seeing about how are different types of, what are the different types of adjective, adverbs, and how they can be explained. Thank you.